guys, I'm with Apple Doodle. We've done a collab before, and we're doing another one. Yeah, Apple Doodle. He grabbed the phone. Yeah. And this is my baby cousin.
If that
Apple
happens to
Doodle,
Mama,
Apple Doodle, Apple Doodle. He's saying Apple Doodle, okay? She's supporting him. She's supporting him. I got veggie straw. Veggie straw's my guy. Ah.
I too.
Ah.
I too.
I
Two.
Why is she saying?
Because
Who asked?
my name is
Apple Doodle.
my name is Poopy Doodle. I am the owner of I'm the owner of the apples. You know, this is Apple Doodle. And he right there, that person, he's the he owns, or he made bananas, you know, the fruit.
Yeah, and he
And
made apples.
his name is Banana Doodle.
Yep,
And I got
his
them.
name is Apple Doodle. My name is Banana Doodle.
My name is Bang.
My name is Hey guys, Quandale Dingle. Quandale Dingle impression.
I farted and the poopy almost slipped down.
Ah! When I was 4.5 years old, my dad hit me with the steering wheel. Random stuff in the car. Oh
Guys,
yeah.
go subscribe to Apple Doodle. Apple Doodle is very cool.
And go subscribe to me too. He already has 3 subscribers. And we actually just started this YouTube channel not too long ago.
I got three
I
subscribers.
started it. He started
No,
his.
I
up
started
back.
mine first.
Yeah, I started it second. I did.
Oh,
I started it today.
Hey guys, Quandale Dingle.
Wait, it wasn't. It wasn't recording, bro.
Hey guys, it's Apple Doodle here. I'm making a video right now. Go subscribe to Apple Doodle and subscribe to Banana Doodle.
Subscribe to us. We make the best videos.
Quality. We make quality videos, guys.
Yep, he's right. Quality.
Quality.
By the way, I stopped recording. What he said was quality only is our videos, I think. Guys, he farted and the poopy almost slipped out. You guys want to see like video proof that he did? Even
Guys, this is a just a little, you know,
farty.
Alex. Here, stop recording.
Guys, this is him making a video on the Apple Doodle channel.
This video is not out yet, but go subscribe to Apple Doodle channel if you like.
Soon. It will come out soon.
Coming out soon.
You're gonna love it, okay?
It's the
It's super cool. It's Apex Legends
Yep.
Mobile. The Apple Doodle, or else I'm gonna eat you. If you don't subscribe to Apple Doodle, I'm gonna eat you. Did you just not subscribe? Yucky!